Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this video, we are going to look at the changes that Microsoft is making available on Windows 11 build 27813 in the Canary channel. These changes are not tied to any specific release of Windows 11, so it is unclear when they will roll out to everyone. Okay, let's move on to the changes rolling out in the latest preview of Windows 11. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. You can also visit my website for more tutorials and tech news. Okay, first we're going to open the Settings app and then we're going to go to Privacy and Security and then we're going to go to the Location page. And this is because now, starting with this release, Windows 11 is removing the location history feature that Microsoft used to use to track your location when using Cortana. So that option is no longer available because the system will no longer track the location of your system using that particular feature. Now, this is a small update, so that's pretty much the most significant changes that we're going to see on this preview. However, although Microsoft did not mention, it's being discovered that the Optionals features page. So we're going to go to System, Optional Features, and in here we can see that the page has been updated, and now the page is now going to show the list of the installed optional features available on your computer. But they're not gone. Basically, you now have to click this View Features button, and this is going to show you the list of the optional features already available on your computer. Now from here you can check any of the features and you can proceed to remove one or multiple items. Now if you want to add a new feature, you will go to the See Available Features page, which is right here, and then you just do a search for what you want to install and then just check the item and click the Add button. And as you can see, we have a preview of the installation as well. So I'm just going to cancel this because we don't need it. Now, as I said, this is a feature that Microsoft did not mention, and that is actually because it is still a work in progress. So if you want to see this on your installation in the Canary channel, you have to use the Vibe tool. And if you use the Vibe tool, you will have to run this command, then restart the app or restart Windows, and then you should be able to see the new visual changes for the optional features page. This preview also includes some other fixes. You can always check the link in the description for more information. And that's it. Those are pretty much all the changes that we're going to see on Windows 11 build 27813 in the Canary channel. Let me know in the comments what you think about these improvements. Also, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.